Hello everyone, welcome back to Edutainer. In this lecture, you will be studying about Google VR in Unity. So let's start. So, in our previous lecture, you have studied about the light setting in Unity. So, right now we will be studying about Google VR in Unity. So, first of all, you have to download the Google VR Unity package from GitHub. I have already downloaded the package, so I will be importing the package. You will be going to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package. So over here you can see Google VR for Unity. I will be clicking and it is preparing for the packages. So these are the complete packages that will be importing. So just hit the import button. Once we are done with the importing part, we will be going to Assets. Over here you can see a Google VR. We will be opening this thing. Right now we are interested in demos, so we won't be looking this thing. We will be going demos and then scenes. Over here we are having 4 scenes, so I will be opening the Hello VR scene. So you can see this is a complete scene that has been created by the Google right now. So this is just a demonstration, that is the demo scene. Okay, before starting this thing we have to do one more setting for the virtual reality. We will be going in edit, then the project settings. Okay, then in player you will be going for the Android one. Okay, in the Android one you will be clicking the virtual reality supported one. In the XR settings you will be checking this box for the virtual reality supported. Now you will be adding the virtual reality SDKs. So I will be adding the Google VR, Google Cardboard. Okay, yes, so the Google Cardboard virtual reality SDK is being added. So we will be closing this thing. So right now you can see in the player's view or the game view, this is how the game will be appearing. Okay, so all the movements that are involved in the virtual reality is being done by the GVR editor emulator. Okay, this help us to move in the this GVR editor emulator helps us to change the yawn or the pitch or to change the roll, like whether you want to see up or down or left to right. So GVR editor emulator plays an important role over here. So let's hit the play button and see. So you can see in the GVR editor emulator over here you can see the camera controls. Like if you will press the mouse, you will be changing the yawn or the pitch. So let me expand the game one. So you can see over here, like please select the supported Google VR platform, why build settings Android, which we have done already. So right now I will be showing you. This is the Alt plus moving the mouse. So you can see I can change the yawn and the pitch. I can look up, down, left and right too. Okay. Now if I'm using the control one, and then I will be changing the role. Okay, we won't recommend this thing and we won't be using this thing right now because it will lead to motion sickness in virtual reality. So we will be mainly focusing on Alt to the left and right movements. Okay, so we will be taking the GVR editor emulator from this. So we will be stealing this GVR editor emulator from the Google part, and then we will be putting that thing in our sample scenes. Okay, so we will be copying this thing and you will be going to back to assets and to your scene that we have created right now. Okay, so this is the view over here. So we will be pasting this thing. Okay, so we have the GVR editor emulator right now over here. So we will be bringing this thing upwards. Okay, so now when I will be playing the game, so you can see our GVR editor emulator and the camera is somewhere else. You can see the camera over here. So we will be aligning the camera. So first of all, we will be going to main camera. Where is our main camera? The main camera is over here. So we will be placing it inside the room. You can see right now here. Okay. Similarly, we will be placing the GVR editor emulator with it. Over here. Okay. Now let's give a hit and trial right now. We will be playing the game again. So you can again see that the camera is moving in any direction. So first of all, we need a parent class for this thing so it doesn't move. Okay, so we will be creating over here, create empty. I will be writing it as player. Okay, and I will be making the parent of the main camera. So main camera is a child of player. Okay, similarly I will be putting the GVR emulator over here. I will be aligning the camera over here right now. Now let's give a hit the play button. So you can see right now over here. Now everything is going fine, and you can see the rays now. It's not moving in a, it's just in a box right now in our room only, so it's not moving anywhere else. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so we have done with the GVR editor emulator also, and we have aligned our camera too. Okay, and you can see the lightning setting. We have the light over here and we have the spotlight over here. Okay, so this is all about the Google VR in Unity right now. So let's summarize everything. First of all, we have imported the package of Google VR from, we have downloaded it from the GitHub, and we have imported the packages, and we stole this GVR editor emulator from Google VR, and we have imported this thing in our scene, and we have aligned our camera too. Okay, and we have created it as a child of player. So player is a parent over here. Okay, so in our next lecture we will be building for Android. So you will be uploading to your Android, and you will be seeing this thing, this game view in your mobile application right now. Okay, thank you.